northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lombard, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dunning, Forest Glen, Bellwood, Berkeley, Rogers Park, Hillside, Lisle, Winnetka, Northlake, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, Schiller Park, York Center, Highwood, Deerfield, Edison Park, Glenview, Highland Park, Stone Park, Elmwood Park, Elmhurst, Gulf, Glencoe, Niles, and Rosemont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio.